Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on the Super Slim Rice Crisps. These are made of brown rice. Let's check this out. And you got 90% organic ingredients, gluten-free, oven-baked, so show you the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Here's a nutrient panel if you guys want to read that, pause the video. So yeah, organic brown rice, sunflower oil, some sea salt, and alright, let's open this up. Do a quick taste test. Alright guys, so I took one out to try out, but let me do another one. It's actually really tasty. That's what they look like. Looks like your regular rice cracker, but it's got little tiny grains that you guys can't, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but you can taste it when you crunch down on it. Super crunchy. You can taste the sort of like the grains of the brown rice, and it's got a nice sea salt coating on it. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.